We live in a modern age of spectacular science and technology. But modern science and technology is the product of a historical process that is built upon previous pillars of knowledge and understanding that often remain invisible or appear to us as very strange and even primitive or hyper-religious. Today, we understand that the Earth is a planet, a globe, and belongs to a local solar system filled with other planets and interstellar objects, all working within grand cosmological constants. Our understanding is both wondrous and limited. All cosmologies are. In the ancient world, there were many different conceptions of the universe, but they all belonged to an oral way of comprehending the world, and this was based on direct, naked-eye astronomical observations. This video explores how ancient, mythological cosmologies were constructed. It's important to note that oral thinking is completely different than literate thinking. Indeed, the brain rewired itself when writing was invented and continues to rewire itself in our audio-visual age. In the ancient world, information was encoded into memory reservoirs that were created in different mediums to aid the memory. All oral cultures use variations of what I have termed the oral imprinting press, where oral cultures encode and associate knowledge on the visible environment around them, including local geography as well as the sky. They transmit this knowledge using stories that repeat the archetypal patterns seen in nature. We call these stories myths. They act out these stories in dramas, festivals, and rites, and they synthesize all their knowledge within the sacred space, often in which celestial observations and the rituals are performed. Cosmology, myth, ritual, and sacred space thus constitutes the knowledge mediums of oral societies. Problematically, each one of these mediums were deeply woven into each other, so that the understanding of one without the other mediums becomes exceedingly difficult.